Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to see the multiple vacancies for the ITI, diploma, degree, postgraduate, UGC NET and PhD candidates. So for all these categories here, the multiple number of vacancies are there from the DRDO and the salary is up to 54,000 rupees per month. So let us see all the details and the notifications one by one. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET Paper 1 as well as the Paper 2 Electronic Science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so here total 4 notifications are there, guys. So please watch this video until the end, so you will come to know all the details very clearly, and please share this information to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these qualifications. So please share them, guys. And here while coming to the first one, it is Defense Research and Development Organization Naval Materials Research Laboratory. So application for engagement of apprentice for the year 2020-2021. So application for apprenticeship for invited for 1 year training in the following disciplines. So first one is graduate apprentice and here the essential qualifications are mentioned. So BSc in chemistry, BA BCom, any subject with computer knowledge, and the total 4 vacancies are there here, and the stipend is 9,000. And coming to the diploma apprentice, and the qualification is diploma in mechanical, electronics, computer science and paint technology. And coming to the ITI apprentice, ITI pump operator, fitter, electrician, laboratory assistant and welder, office assistant or computer operator. And next one is a 10+2 apprentice, 10+2 any subject with computer knowledge. So 7,000 is going to be provided as a stipend. And application procedure is application form can be downloaded from the official website. Candidates are required to send scanned copies of their applications along with the desired documents or certificates in PDF format through email only to this one. And the last date for receipt of application is 15 days from the date of advertisement in the employment news. So the selection procedure is no interview will be held due to ongoing pandemic. Board constituted by the director NMRL for the purpose will go through the applications and shortlist the candidates as per the vacancies indicated above. So candidates will be selected strictly on the merit basis, percentage or marks of the essential qualifications. Only selected candidates will be informed through offer letter. So there is no written test and no interview for these apprentice post, guys. Okay, so if you're interested in this one, then you may apply. So to get the more details and the accurate details, I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. You may check down. And the next notification is Institute of Nuclear Medicine and Allied Sciences. So online interview for the award of DRDO Research Associate and the Junior Research Fellowship. So here you can check down that the selection will be based upon the online interview. So here the Fellowship Research Associate, the number of DRDO Fellowship, Research Associate 1 and the Junior Research Fellowship 1. For the Research Associate, the essential qualification is PhD awarded in cognitive neuroscience, biomedical engineering, computer science. So desirable 3 years of experience in psychophysiological data analysis, signal processing and virtual reality. The stipend is up to 54,000 rupees per month plus HRA as per the DRDO rules. And while coming to the JRF, BE or BTech in biomedical engineering or computer science or cognitive neuroscience or electronics engineering with GATE mandatory, or MS or MTech in cognitive neuroscience or neuroscience with NET in first class both at graduate and the postgraduate level. So here the stipend is 31,000 rupees plus HRA as per the DRDO rules. So MTech exempted from NET or GATE as per the guidelines. So only those candidates who have been awarded degree or provisional certificate are eligible to apply. And upper age limit is 35 years for RA and 28 years for the JRF as on the date of online interview, and some relaxation will be provided based upon the caste category. So few guidelines are mentioned here. So I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So you may check down for more accurate and the correct details. And while coming to the next notification is Defense Bioengineering and Electromedical Laboratory. Online interview for the award of the JRF here. Okay, so you can check down JRF 1, 2, 3 here. The codes are given. The number of fellowships are 4. And the essential qualification BE or BTech in mechanical engineering with first division with valid NET or GATE qualification, or ME or MTech in mechanical engineering with first division both at the graduate or the postgraduate level. And coming to the electronics and communication instrumentation with valid GATE or NET, or else MTech in electronics and communication instrumentation engineering with first division both at graduate and postgraduate level. Coming to the JRF3, one post is there for this one. So one fellowship is there. BE or BTech in polymer science and technology, textile engineering, textile technology, textile chemistry, fiber science with first division with valid NET or GATE qualification, or post graduation. So a few more conditions are given here, and upper age limit is 28 years. So how to apply means candidate should download and fill the application form in the prescribed format. The signed application form along with the certificate in support of minimum educational qualification, in support of date of birth and GATE or NET score, valid as on closing date of application caste certificate, all should be scanned in a single PDF file and emailed to this mail ID before the closing date. Okay, so it is one notification, and here fellowship is going to available as 31,000 rupees plus HRA also will be available to this one. Okay, so it is one more notification, guys. And while coming to the last one is walk-in interview, DRDO, Vehicles Research and Development Establishment. So the fellowship amount is 31,000 rupees per month. For mechanical, automobile, electronics and computer science, here the number of JRFs are provided. Date and time of interview is also provided here. 4th January 2021, 6th, 8th and 11th, morning 9:30. Qualification, applications are invited from eligible candidates possessing graduate degree in professional course, BE or BTech in first division with valid NET or GATE score, or post graduation in the respective departments, and the age limit is 28 years as on the date of interview. So place of interview is given here. You may check down. Handwritten or typewritten application with complete biodata and self-attested copies of certificates, caste certificate and all these things should be brought at the time of walk-in interview along with the recent passport size photograph. Okay, so please go through all these details to get the accurate one, and I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. So here total 4 notifications are there, so you may carefully check down all these things. Okay, and please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of notifications. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.